Okay, I'm gonna be taking you guys off the stand for once, just so that I can show you my surprise. Say hello. 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 Oh, up. That's right, lick it good. Hello, up. Yes. Cute. Yes. Up. Oh. Smell me. He's smelling. So we're dog sitting for a while, and their names are Walle and Eva, like the Disney movie. She's a very jealous girl, and he's dead right now because he has a little bit of a rash. Oh, ain't that right? Every time that I try to pet him, she won't let. Look. Oh. Come here. Sit. Good. He can't do tricks because he's too fluffy. Ah! Come here. Oh. I don't have any more. Good girl. So she's a girl, I think. And he is a boy dog. You like it behind the ears? Oh, let me just fix your ear. Don't want it? There. Hello. Where are you going? You sleepy? Sleepy? Sleepy. So I have their favorite duck jerky treats. Oh my god, that one's already drooling. They go crazy. Walle, come on. Paw, give me something. Paw. Yes, good girl. Here you go. I think she is 2 years, and I think Walle is 3. And they don't bark. Get at the camera. Wait. Here you go. You want one? Here you go. Eva, you already had 5. Eva, up. Oh, jealous. Someone is jealous. Oh, no, they're both coming. One thing that I really don't like about dogs is their slobber, because they'll just have their saliva everywhere, and then I'm the one who's just kind of picking up after themselves. But for cats, you really don't have to worry about that, because they kind of keep it all in, you know? Oh, chunky. Yes. Oh, she's coming. Yeah, you stink. Look at her eyes. No more? Say hi. Oh, here she comes again. Ew! There's too many of them. You like that? Oh my god, I'm getting so much hair. Hello. Smile. Munch. No, they're good happy dogs. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching my montage. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see more of the dogs, comment down below, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye! You have anything to say?